Hi, my name is Carl James, owner of Creole Soul Catering located in Round Rock, Texas. And on behalf of Expert Village, I'm here to show you a traditional potato salad. Okay, we've taken our potatoes that we peeled earlier and we boiled these in some hot, boiling salted water. And we did that for about, 15, 20 minutes because we don't want them too soft. We want to be able to cut them, slice them, and then kind of cube this. So we make a few slices, and then we'll cut this along this way, like this. We'll take and make a slice through the potato. That. It's falling apart on me. But then we're going to just cube the potato. So you break it up. It'll be in little cubes. And it'll match everything else that we have cubed up to go in our traditional potato salad. So let's work on this one. Put that over. And we'll just make a couple of slices down across the top like that. Come back. And there we have it. Our potatoes cubed and ready to go.